Hey everybody, and welcome to the Quadcopter review. It's me, Pepe Prawns, finally back. Sorry for the delay on this one, guys, but lots going on here in the prawn world. We have got ourselves a new person in the house right here. Our baby girl has been born, and that caused me a little bit of a delay from getting this winner video out from the 15th, but we do have a winner, so let's go ahead and go up in here and copy our URL, and we're going to go into our random YouTube picker. We're going to paste in that URL. We are going to go ahead and make sure we dedupe it and run the scan. We've got, I think it's 204, and we'll check out the page. We're going to 208. Now I've commented on here, so it looks like we did pretty well of not putting multiple comments in there. That way you don't get deduped out. And let's go ahead and press start and see who wins this little E013 starter kit. Good little kit for a beginner, so I hope a beginner gets it. So we got Dylan333G. That is our winner. Dylan333_G, I believe it is. I can't tell with it underlined here. Let's go ahead and check out his channel here. Doesn't look like an underscore. So Dylan333G. Let's go ahead and check out his subscriptions, see if we're in the list, and there we are. So we are in the list. So Dylan is the official winner, and what we're gonna need, Dylan, is I need you to go ahead and email me at pepeprawns@thequadcopter.review. I'm gonna need your full name, a mailing address, so I can get this shipped out to you as soon as possible. Obviously, with the new baby, I will do my best to get it in the mail as soon as I can, but that's going to rely a little bit on when she lets me do it. But the channel's going to keep on rolling, guys. This isn't going to stop anything, but it is with her brand new. Taking me a little bit of time to get her acclimated, get her sleeping through the night, so we can get back to our things. Now, as always, don't forget to look in the upper right hand corner of any of my videos at the beginning, and you will find the giveaways going on the channel. We've got another giveaway going on now, also of a starter kit, so check that out. If you haven't enter that one. Again, upper right hand corner, and you will see that, or you can just see it in my giveaways playlist. So as always, guys, keep glued to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and happy flying. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.